A pleasant day to everyone. I am Cinderella de la Cruz and I am here to present to you my research proposal entitled The Positive Effects of Facebook Towards English Language Learning of Grade 11 Students.
Research problem. The introduction of internet and the proliferation of social networking have changed the way people communicate. The way people communicate in English has changed dramatically because of their widespread usage. Social networking sites such as Facebook are changing the way people write and speak. Review of related literature. Facebook is almost exclusively used by students in higher education. These students consider Facebook to be their primary social media platform, and as a result, they devote a significant portion of their daily lives to it, according to Elefsen L. 2015. Moreover, in a study conducted in University Technology Malaysia or UTM, the findings of the study showed that 97.10% of students use Facebook compared to 28.50% use of blogs, and only 14.50% use Twitter alongside their use of Facebook. Al-Hilai 2010. Delay and Tasir 2017 found that when students use Facebook for educational purposes such as gathering information, checking to see what friends are up to, and sharing information or sharing links. Research gap. We are seeing educational institutions incorporate these changes into their processes, depending on collective resources and structures to enhance student life. Students use social media in education to access more valuable content, interact with learning communities, and access other educational systems that make their learning more convenient. Research audience. This research is for anyone who uses social media, particularly students and teachers. It has impact on the users in general and on students' academic performance in particular. So, this research evaluates the positive effects of Facebook towards English language learning of grade 11 students. Purpose of the statement. The present article describes a qualitative study of the positive effects of Facebook towards English language learning of grade 11 students. The aim of this study is to explore Facebook influences in English language learning of these students, particularly those related to their academic performance using Facebook as a learning tool to improve communication skills, writing, and vocabulary enrichment. Concept mapping towards developing new theory. The Facebook influence model study utilized concept mapping methodology to develop a conceptual model of Facebook influence. Morano et al. 2013. It was anticipated that a conceptual framework to describe Facebook influence would be complex. Thus, investigators sought an analytical approach that would accommodate this complexity. Concept mapping methodology is frequently used towards developing conceptual frameworks to describe complex topics. Furthermore, by taking this method, the conceptual framework may be constructed from the ground up, based only on the perspective of important stakeholders, given that young adults are among the most active social media users. The model was created with their perspective and experience in mind. Application of Facebook influence model. Previous work has illustrated the influence of media on adolescents and young adult behavior. Facebook provides a venue for peer interaction and social networking. Both are recognized as contributors to behavior. Boyd 2007. While Facebook provides a novel lens through which to consider behavior influence, its influence can best to be considered in the context of robust behavioral theory. Thus, each of the four domains can be considered alongside a framework of previous supporting work. In some cases, the concept map is synergistic with previous models, and in other, it provides expanded applications of their initial framework or entirely novel contributions. Approach to mass communication theory also emphasizes the functionality of Facebook usage in relation to its user. As identified by Nyland et al. 2007, the 5 motives of using social media includes meeting new people, entertainment, maintaining relationship, and social media creation and events. The use of Facebook and the bridging of social capital provides theories for Facebook users. Social capital is a concept that defines the potential for accumulating wealth and the profits from interpersonal relationships. Thus, the researcher believes that the integration of Facebook with English language learning can be an alternative approach to improve the quality of English learners as well as the development of the country. Figure 1 illustrates the relationship of variable in the study, namely Facebook as learning tool, Facebook affecting students' academic performance, and student positive response towards Facebook usage. Methodology. This part of paper presents the design of the study, particularly the research technique to be used, how the participants are chosen, how sample size is determined, the instrument to be used, which includes application of statistical tools for collection of data yielded by the study. Research design. To attain the intended objectives, mixed approach will be chosen as the research question contain both qualitative and quantitative natures. On top of this, it is believed that mixed method provide better information to understand a particular phenomenon under investigation than a single method, as the failure of one method can be compensated by the other, according to R.A. et al. 2010. Since the present action study is intended to respond to research questions of quantitative and qualitative natures, data collections and analysis techniques from both methodologies were implemented. Hence, descriptive research design is chosen as it enables the researcher to describe the current situation of the study area. Research instrument. Survey questionnaire will be used as the main instrument of collecting the data. Survey questionnaire also includes the participant profile like gender and age. The researcher are tasked to assess the respondents whenever they have clarifications and questions about the survey. Audio or video recorder, pen and pencils, mobile phone are also part in conducting the study. Local of the study. The study will be conducted at Bacosano National High School, located at Purok Ono, Bacosano, Pangantocan, Bukidnon. The school offers 2 strands for senior high school, the General Academic Strand, which is the GAS, and Technical Vocational Livelihood Program. The TVL offers cookery in situ, bread and pastry in situ, and food and beverages in situ. The General Academic Strand students will be selected as the participant of the study. Survey instrument will be used to gain detailed result, whereas in analyzing the results, survey data analysis will be used using qualitative data, translation, discussion, and follow-up questions. Textual analysis is also part of analyzing the data. It is to be done through collating frequency response of the question and survey. Particularly, the yes or no questions follow on from closed question.